Hello and welcome. Today, I'll show you how to use multi-line editing like a pro using Notepad++. Stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll be editing multiple lines at once with ease. Open Notepad++ on your Windows PC. First, let's try the Alt plus mouse drag method. Hold down Alt, then left click and drag your mouse vertically. You'll see a thin vertical cursor appear, selecting multiple lines. Now, type anything, and boom, it appears on all selected lines instantly. This is super handy for renaming variables, adding comments, or aligning text. Prefer the keyboard? No problem. Hold Alt plus Shift, then use the up or down arrow keys to extend your vertical selection. Now type, and it edits all selected lines at once. This method is perfect when you don't want to use the mouse but still need quick multi-line editing. Now, for something even more powerful, the column editor. Select a vertical block, then press Alt plus C here. You can insert numbers or the same text across multiple lines in seconds. Need to add line numbers or repeated text? This tool makes it effortless. If you make a mistake, simply press Ctrl plus Z to undo all multi-line edits at once. And that's it. Now you know how to use multi-line editing in Notepad++ to boost your productivity. If you found this helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more game coding and tech tips. See you in the next video.